Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Aking hinarvest na. Maulan kasi dito guys, kaya nagpapayong ko. Aray ko! Maghuhugas ng aking gulay. Dito tayo pumunta tayo ng video. Dito tayo magbibideo guys. Wait lang guys ha. Kasi maulan. Ayan o. Maulan. Pag hindi kasi ito hinugasan. Pag hindi kasi hinugasan to guys, marumi. Umulan kasi. Ito yung mga sunny lettuce na tanim ko. Pasensya na maingay yung nasa gilid ng kalsada. Maingay ang sasakyan. Hawak, may payong kasi na ulan. Ulan. Sayang kasi doon guys. Huwag na lang ito. Na ulan.